Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this look with the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette. Literally, I bought this palette because it was cute, and I'm Peach's everything. So it was cute, it was peachy. I'm like, I'm going to love this palette. Then I go on YouTube, and every girl that's my skin tone that had this palette had like all the goldy kind of colors, like they kind of stayed away from the just peachy or the candy peach. Most went with summer yum, some with puree, and then you would see these colors here in caramelized. But I'm like a colorful kind of girl. I've never really been into the golds and like blend into my skin. I want to stand out. So I'm like, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the brightest colors I can find. So today I use mainly Candy Peach. I go in with Candy Peach first and then a bit of Summer Yum to warm it up a little bit. And then I pop some Just Peachy right on the center of my lids. So if you would like to see me achieve this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so we've just gotten this look. I did forget to set my face with any kind of powder. I usually go in with my loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me because using my Sacha Buttercup is just way too bright for my skin. But that's the only thing that I didn't do. I think I need a darker contour because my contour is like not very contoured. It's like maybe a little too close to my skin. But other than that, yeah, thanks for staying tuned. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.